Indian Railways is transforming into a future-ready organization, delivering faster, safer, and world-class travel at nominal costs to billions of Indians. This fiscal year, it spent 76% of its 2.65 lakh rupees crore budgetary outlay, focusing on capacity augmentation, electrification, new lines, and modernization. Investments have led to 136 Vande Bharat trains, 97% broad gauge electrification, and infrastructure upgrades. With Vande Bharat sleeper trains undergoing speed trials, long-distance travel will soon be revolutionized. Despite India's vast diversity, Railways is driving transformative governance, investing heavily in infrastructure, technology, and sustainability. Committed to progress, Indian Railways ensures that today's investments create a modern, connected, and inclusive India for future generations, supporting the vision of Viksit Bharat.